Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will disclose the pedagogical approach. The pedagogical approach to actualize the curriculum requirement. Experiential learning is chosen as the pedagogical approach. Experiential learning is a flexible teaching learning approach that allows teachers to be innovative in teaching. Experiential learning follows an ongoing learning cycle that consists of 4 steps, namely concrete experience, reflective observation, abstract conceptualization, and active experimentation. That means the concrete experience, it's having an experience, reflective observation, reviewing or reflective on the experience. Active experimentation, that means planning. Abstract conceptualization, that means the 4 steps: concrete experience, reflective observation, active experimentation, and abstract conceptualization. So experiential learning cycle, that means, so how would the pedagogical approach work for us? One way to see this is that we can start with a complete plan known as experience design. To achieve a particular, can start with a complete plan known as experience design to achieve particular competency before starting any lesson. This plan or experience design must capture all 4 steps, the learning cycles mentioned above. In the first step, concrete experience, we need to bring our student experience that demonstrate their prior knowledge and or skills, values and attitude required to achieve particular competency. In the second step, reflective observation, we will encourage and facilitate the student to use their critical thinking and analytical ability and unpack the experience they shared among themselves initially, so that the student can understand that they already hold some knowledge and or skills, values and attitude required of the competency they are about to achieve. During the third step, abstract conceptualization, our duty is to help the student relate their knowledge and or skills, values and attitude with the theory that's needed to achieve competency. In this step, task and activity should play a vital role on the sense that during of the activities, student must have sufficient opportunities of critical or creative as well as to be imperative, excessive and active experiences. First, thank you all the thanks all and thanks all. Allah Hafiz.